Acrylic nails are the most common form of nail extension. However, applying traditional acrylic nails can be difficult to master. With our new acrylic powder coating method, you can achieve great-looking, professional nails quickly and easily. This demonstration will help you get perfect results every time. Know your nails. It is important to know all the parts of the nails and nail tips. The hard nail surface is the nail plate. The white top is the free edge, and the line joining the pink area is the smile line. The surrounding skin is the nail bed, and the thin skin at the base of the nail is the cuticle. Looking at the end, you can see the C-curve of the nails. Many different types of tips are available. Most extension tips have a number at the end showing the size. Here we have a white tip, which is used for a French polish finish and a natural tip. The well area is the area which varies the most from tip to tip. White tips usually have pre-cut well areas to ensure the smile line is perfect every time. The natural nail tip has a full cover well which gets trimmed to size and is suitable for all nails. The stop point is the ridge where the well area meets the thicker section of the tip. Finally, the C-curve. This should match as closely as possible to your own nails. If your nails are very flat or have a deep C-curve, you may need to try different shaped tips to find ones to suit. Cut and file back your natural nails to a uniform length, ideally about 2 to 3 millimeters long. Always file from the outside towards the center. Avoid a sawing action, as this may tear the nail. Choosing the correct nail extension tip for each finger is very important. The tip should not be too small or too wide. It is actually better to choose a tip extension which is slightly wider than the natural nail, and file it down to fit rather than work with one that is too small. Place the stop point against the free edge of the nail. Trim the base of the extension so that approximately a third of the nail is covered. Neaten up the edges of each extension once it has been trimmed and pre-blend the edge with a grit file so that the well area is thin and tapers to the end. Keep the file fairly flat and horizontal to the nail extension. If you have white tips, do not pre-blend them. Do this for all 10 extensions and arrange them so that you know which is for each finger. Preparing the nails. Remove any existing nail polish with a non-acetone polish remover and wash hands thoroughly using a mild soap. Now follow these steps which are common to all nail extension treatments. Push, buff, brush. We will show each of these steps in depth as good nail preparation is essential. You will find it easier to work on one hand at a time. Push. Using a hoof or orange stick, very gently push back the cuticle and remove any residual skin on the nail plate. Be very thorough. The dead skin must be removed as it will cause the nail enhancement to lift. Buff. Use the white block to gently remove the surface shine from the entire nail. Pay particular attention to the cuticle and sides of the nail. Brush. Wipe away any dust with a clean tissue or small brush. Do not touch the nail surface with your fingers at any point after this. If you accidentally do so, you will need to wash your hands with mild soap to remove any oils.